All right, so we are no longer offering standard credit repair. I'm gonna put a screenshot up here for y'all to read. We are only offering the pre-litigation credit repair. And if I'm being honest here, I'm tired of doing these disputes. I'm sure some of my clients are tired of the bureaus not doing their job, the bureaus stalling, and the attorneys are going to make them pay for that. That's something, I'm not an attorney. Of course, I can spot all the violations I want, but I'm not an attorney. So we have to have attorneys anyway. So you will be required to get all 3 credit reports from annualcreditreport.com, as well as your Innovis report if you are a true victim of identity theft. We will also need SageStream, CoreLogix, and LexisNexis as well. And this is if you're a true victim of identity theft. Excuse me. Not just because you want everything wiped off of your credit report, which is something that we cannot help you with. We only do legal credit repair. But from here on out, we are not doing any disputing in my offices. I don't have a dispute team anymore that's going to be doing disputes. Everything will be 100% attorney-based, including the disputing. So if y'all have any questions about this, please let me know. If you are a current client of mine, please reach out to me via text message or email. You can call, but I will tell you I'm very hard to get a hold of on the telephone because I have so many people calling, emailing, and even sending messages through the client portal. So again, we are only offering the pre-litigation credit repair. The goal here is to get as many items as we can removed from your credit report, boost your score, as well as to get you paid. Hope you have a great day.